Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to talk about the conditional statements. In the previous slides, expressions combining Boolean operators and comparison operators were explained. Now we demonstrate how such expressions are, are written and evaluated in Java. Control statements control which blocks of code in a program are executed. For example, we might want a set of statements to execute only if certain conditions are met. Otherwise, the statements would not be executed. There are two types of control statements: decision or conditional statements, which controls which block of code within several alternatives is executed. Iterative statements, which controls how many times a block of code is executed. So that's it for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'm going to talk about the decision or conditional statements. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.